Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Fakrul Aiman bin Misnun. My card metric number is 08DKA21F2062. Introduction to Trigonometry. Trigonometry, the branch of mathematics concerned with specific function of angle and their application to calculation. There are 6 functions of an angle commonly used in trigonometry. The names and abbreviations are sin, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. The 6 trigonometric functions in relation to a right triangle are displayed in the figure. For example, the triangle contains an angle A, and the ratio of the side opposite to A and the side of the opposite to the right angle and hypotenuse is called the sin of A or sin A. The other trigonometry functions are definite similarly. The functions are properties of the angle A independent of the size of the triangle, and calculated value were tabulated for many angles before computer made trigonometry table obsolete. Trigonometry functions are used in obtaining a known angle and distance from known or measure angle in geometric figure. Real-life example of trigonometry. Trigonometry has many real-life examples used broadly. Let's get a better idea of trigonometry with an example. A boy is standing near a tree. He looks up the tree and wonders how tall is the tree. The height of the tree can be found without actually measuring it. What we have here is a right angle triangle, a triangle which one of the angle equal to 90 degrees. Trigonometry formula can be applied to calculate the height of the tree if the distance between the tree and boy and the angle formed when the tree is viewed from the ground is given. It is determined using the tangent function such as tan of angle is equal the ratio of the height of the tree and the distance. Let us say the angle is tan, then tan equal height per distance between object and tree. Distance equal height per tan. Let us assume that distance is 30 m and the angle formed is 45 degree. Then height equal 13 per tan 45, since tan 45 per 1. So height equal 30 m. The height of the tree can be found out by using basic trigonometry formula.
Hi, my name is Izlan Rizal bin Ma'ruf. Nama metrik 08DKA21F2016. Definition of trigonometry in architecture engineering. First, to ensure the overall safety and material requirements, architects use the field of trigonometry. Trigonometry functions are used to calculate heights of structure, like angles, exact intersection angles. Whether you are building an arch, dome, roller coaster or suspension bridge, trigonometry will help the architect produce a scale model for a constructor. Trigonometry not only helps with calculation of heights, roof slopes, ground surface, and light angles, but also help compute precision loads and forces. Recall the architects are not only responsible for designing mathematical representation of a designer's plan, but they also have to ensure that a building is functional and safe. Further, sin and cos function in trigonometry help architects understand and calculate forces and loaded. In addition to building safety, architects are also responsible for calculating the budget to be used for the construction of building. With the help of tangent in trigonometry, architects determine the budget plan for the project's whole construction.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Ahmad Syamil Fambil Saharuddin. Metric card number 08DKA21F2060. We'll be presenting about the calculation for our finding. We use a zinc roof for the vending machine to show that we understand the concept. From the picture, we can see that the concept of trigonometry was used to find the length between the end of the roof and the end of the handle, and to find the angle between roof. The concept of trigonometry can be used if the triangle is right angle triangle. Let's see how we calculate the length and the angle. For the first question, the length between the end of the roof and the end of the handle was labeled as B, which is hypotenuse of the triangle. We use the formula, which is B square equal A square plus C square. We put this number into the formula, which is B square equal 91.44 square plus 15.24 square. Next, B square, we got answer B square equal 8593.53. After that, we must square root the answer to obtain the value of B, which is 92.70 cm. For the second question, we need to find the angle between the roof. We use the formula, which is tan theta equal opposite over adjacent, because the angle located between adjacent and hypotenuse. The first step is we put the length into the formula. Tan theta equal 15.24 over 19.44. Then we get the answer, which is tan theta equal 0.16. To find the angle, we must move the tan to the right side. By using the calculator, we need to press shift button and tan. Then we get tan -1. Hence, we get the value of the angle, which is 9.09 degree.
My name is Muhammad Shazani bin Muhammad Shah. Number metric 08 DKA 21F 2038. With the use of trigonometry, architects can create their design with exact size and angle specification, ensure stability, calculate distance and angles, and know the exact measurement of the material they will be using, and hundreds of other things. So this was a very brief coverage of the topic.